How to get Snapchat Plus free trial for lifetime. If you've been thinking about getting Snapchat Plus, don't want to pay for it, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you proof of how you can get Snapchat Plus with a free trial for lifetime. That's right, no need to pay for the subscription if you follow this trick. Alright, first off, let's quickly go over what Snapchat Plus is. It's a premium subscription service from Snapchat that unlocks exclusive features like custom app icons, the ability to see who's rewatch your stories, ghost trails, and much more. Typically, Snapchat Plus costs $3.99 a month, but there's a way to get free trial, and I'm going to show you how you can extend that trial indefinitely. Snapchat does offer a 7-day free trial when you first sign up for a Snapchat Plus, but the key is to use this trial for more than once. Now here's the trick. Snapchat doesn't track how often you start the free trial on different devices. So the idea is to sign up for the free trial using a brand new Snapchat account, and after the trial ends, simply create a new account to get another free trial. Open Snapchat and simply sign up with this. As you can see, here you can simply start free trial. Here it says that 1 week free trial. Now you can use this account for 1 week, and once the 7 days hits, you need to create a new account. You need to create a new Snapchat account and sign up for Snapchat Plus again and enjoy Snapchat Plus for 7 days. And you need to repeat the process. Once the trial ends, simply create another new account using a different email address and sign up for another free trial. You can keep doing this as long as you want. While this method does work, there are a few things to keep in mind. You'll need to constantly manage different Snapchat accounts to keep using the free trial. This can get a little tedious, but it works. Snapchat may eventually start limiting this method or detecting multiple accounts from the same user, so use this with caution. Now, if you don't want to keep creating new accounts, keep an eye out for special promotions for Snapchat, as sometimes they offer extended free trials or discounts for new users. It's always a good idea to check the app. So there you have it, how to get Snapchat Plus with a free trial for your lifetime.